Hey everybody, and welcome back to another lecture with Coding with Roby. And in this lecture, we're going to be going over the if-else assignment. So the assignment was to create a variable, which we will call grade, holding an integer between 0 and 100. We then need to code if, elif, and else statements to print the letter grade of the number grade variable. So if the variable of grade is like a 70, it should return C. So let's start by creating a grade which is equal to 73. And now if grade is greater than or equal to 90, we need to return an A because A is between 90 and 100. And now we want to say elif grade is greater than or equal to 80 and grade is less than 90, because then we want to print a B. And now you may get a little yellow line. If we hover over this, Python is telling us that, hey, there's a simple way to be able to write this AND statement. If we click on it, it's going to return elif 80 is less than or equal to grade and less than 90. So if grade is greater than or equal to 80, but also less than 90. This is another way to be able to write an AND statement that is reusing the same variable 2 times. We then want to say elif grade is greater than 70 and grade is less than 80. And we can also just follow the same standpoint that this is using by saying elif 70 is less than or equal to grade and less than 80. Do it once more for the D. So grade needs to be greater than or equal to 60 but less than 70. And lastly, else print F. And the reason we can just say else is because all the other conditions must fail, which means this number is going to be less than 60. Let's try it out and save the application and run the file. We get C. Let's make it an 81. We get a B. Let's make it a 100. We get an A. Let's make it 63. We get a D, and let's make it a 27. We get an F. This wraps up the if and else assignment, and I will see you in the next video.